Hey there, fellow driver. Let's face it, not everyone on the road is as careful and attentive as you are. And when things go wrong, you don't want to be caught in a he said, she said situation. That's where a dashcam comes in. It's like having your own personal witness to every journey. With a dashcam, you'll have a complete recording of what went down, whether it was your fault or not. No need to worry about expensive insurance claims or dodgy drivers trying to shift the blame onto you. And let's be real, the footage can also make for some great entertainment with your friends or the internet. The good, the bad, and the downright hilarious. But with so many options out there, how do you know which dash cam is the best fit for you? Fear not, we've done the research and are ready to show you the 5 best dash cams in this video. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Nextbase 522 GW, our pick for best all-rounder dash cam. Hey there, viewer! Are you on the lookout for a reliable dash cam that won't break the bank? Well, let me tell you about the Nextbase 522 GW, the practical and affordable option that delivers where it counts. Sure, the Nextbase 622 GW may have more advanced features, but let's be real. Do you really need Alexa to order pizza while you're driving? The 522 GW offers fantastic image quality during the day, and while night vision can be a tad tricky in low light, it still gets the job done. And speaking of Alexa, this little camera packs a punch with the world's first 1440p dash cam with Alexa built in. But that's not all. The Nextbase 522 GW also boasts a 3-inch touchscreen for easy use, an emergency SOS mode, and a polarizing filter to tackle those bright sunny days. And with the option to sync up with rear view and interior models, this camera truly has it all. So whether you're a road tripper or a daily commuter, the Nextbase 522 GW is a solid choice that won't leave you hanging. Plus, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you've got a trusty dash cam by your side. Happy driving! Number 4. Vantrue E1, our pick for best design dash cam. Are you in the market for a dash cam that's more than just a pretty face? Look no further than the Vantrue E1. This little guy may have an attractive design and small form factor, but don't be fooled. It packs a punch. With the ability to record 2.5K video at 30 frames per second or full HD at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second, you'll be capturing all the juicy details of your road trip adventures. Whether you're driving during daylight or in the spooky hours of the night, you won't miss a beat with the E1. It captures true colors and keeps the noise down even in dim lighting. Plus, the polarizing filter is like a personal magic wand for banishing dashboard reflections. With a 160-degree viewing angle, you'll have eyes on the back of your head, figuratively of course. The magnetic mount is great, but if you need to adjust vertically or horizontally, you'll have to grit your teeth and do it manually. Luckily, the E1 app makes customizing settings easier than coloring inside the lines. And the 1.54-inch screen is a preview before you commit to installation. The E1 might not be as chatty as your car's GPS, but it still comes loaded with helpful features. It's got GPS tracking, Wi-Fi, and a wireless recording remote, which will make you feel like a secret agent. Hop in your car and let the adventure begin with Vantrue E1 as your trusty sidekick. Still searching for the perfect dash cam? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3, Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, our pick for best budget dash cam. Hey there, road warrior. If you're on the hunt for a dash cam that packs a punch, then the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 might just be your knight in shining armor. Sure, it may be pint-sized, but it's mighty and capable of some serious feats. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. This little guy doesn't come with a fancy screen or GPS, but it more than makes up for it with some exceptional picture-taking skills and voice controls that'll come in handy when you're driving solo. But wait, there's more. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 can level up your ride's intelligence with forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, speed camera notifications, and stoplight reminders. Plus, the Garmin Vault is on deck to keep your recording safe and sound, synced up in real time. But let's be real, the best part is its design. You can pop it on your windshield, and it'll blend in like a chameleon. You won't even notice it's there. With this little gadget on board, you can have peace of mind knowing that you have one less thing to worry about when you're on the road. Safe travels, friend. Number 2, Nexar Pro Dual, our pick for best premium dash cam. Are you a car connoisseur who spends more time driving than sleeping? Then the Nexar Pro is the perfect co-pilot for you. This sleek dual cam solution records both the interior and exterior of your vehicle, so you can always have an eyewitness in case of accidents or just for fun. Don't worry about taking up too much screen real estate because the Pro is all about coolness. But the Nexar app is where the magic really happens. Easily adjust settings, create incident reports, and upload clips to the cloud with just a tap or two. Plus, Nexar includes cloud storage for free. No need to fret about losing your car or having it broken into because the Pro comes equipped with GPS data logging and break-in alerts that notify you if anyone attempts to mess with your ride. And with exceptional performance in all kinds of lighting, the exterior camera captures every detail from pouring rain to intense sunlight. Sure, there are cheaper options on the market with fewer features, but if your vehicle is your baby, then the Nexar Pro is well worth the investment. Trust us, you and your car will thank you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Nextbase 622 GW, our pick for best dash cam overall. Introducing the Nextbase 622 GW, the creme de la creme of dash cams, here to make your dashboard sizzle with its state-of-the-art features. We put this bad boy to the test and were blown away by its jaw-dropping stabilization and video quality. And guess what? It even packs 3 words geolocation services, pinpointing your bruised vehicle within a mere 3-meter radius. Talk about precision! Fancy your dashcam videos as a box office hit? With the 622G, W's ability to shoot in stunning 4K 30p, you'll be reeling in that cinematic magic, capturing breathtaking detail and jaw-droppingly sharp definition, even in the trickiest of lighting situations. Deciphering license plates and unveiling cryptic accident particulars? Piece of cake. Oh, and let's not forget the built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera that rotates to prevent pesky glare from windscreens. And hello, digital image stabilization, the first of its kind in the dash cam industry. It smooths out tremors and shakes like nothing else. We'll level with you. The voice-activated Alexa skills are a bit hit and miss, but fear not. You can use the 3-inch rear touchscreen instead. It's super crisp and user-friendly. And for all you adventurous drivers out there, the emergency SOS feature is a game changer. Frankly, we're still gobsmacked at how much this dash cam can do. And if you're anything like us, you're going to love it. So don't delay, get on the Nextbase 622 GW bandwagon today. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best dash cams. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which dashcam you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.